Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to subject business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 3rd for the chapter ratio and proportion, indices, logarithms. The topic that we are going to look today is indices. Indices unit 3. Indices focus on basic calculations. For example, let us take multiplication of 2 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Here we can also write as 2 raised to 4 is equal to 16. Here 2 is base and 4 index or power. In 2 raised to 4, 2 is base, 4 is index or power. Study of index is called indices. Now, indices basically focus on basic calculations which are given below. Some basic calculations are given below. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same way, a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Fourth one, a minus b cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in the bracket a minus b. A cube minus b cube. So, a minus b into in the bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Same way, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. Now, law of indices. Here, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Whenever multiplication comes, at that time addition of two indices or index, addition of two index. So, one requirement is that base will remain same. So, 2 raised to 4 multiply with 2 raised to 3. So, answer is 2 raised to 4 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 7. Another example, 3 square into 3 cube is equal to 3, 2 and 3. Base same, 3, 3, base same. Index 2, 3. Multiplication, so addition 3 raised to 2 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to 5. Raised to 7 multiply with 3 cube is equal to 3, 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 raised to 10. Next, law 2. A raised to m by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here base same, a base m n index or power. Base same, so a m a raised to m by a raised to n. Division, so a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Here a raised to m minus n. Consider 2 raised to 4 divided by 2 square is equal to 2, 2. Here 2, 2 base same, 4 index, 2 index. So 2 base 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 square is equal to answer is 4. Same way 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 is to 4. So 3, 5 and 4. 5 and 4 index. 3, 3 base same. 3, 5, 3 raised to 5 minus 4. So 3, 1 is equal to 3. So answer is 3. Now move to the law 3. In the bracket a raised to m into n. So a m n. Here consider one example, 3 square whole cube. So 3 square is equal to 9. 3 square is equal to 9. But that's not right. We have to use 3, 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 3. 2 into 3, 6. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3. 3 3s are 9. 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243. Multiply with 3. 729. Another example, 2 is to 4 cube. So 2, 4, using law 3, 4 and 3. 4 multiplication of index, 4 into 3, 2 is to 12. Now next slide. Next law, law 4. AB raised to n is equal to a raised to n into b raised to n. So consider one example, 24 cube or 8 into 3 cube. So A is 8 and B is 3. 8 cube into 3 cube. Same way 4 into 5 cube is equal to 4 cube into 5 cube. 3 into 1 cube. 3 cube into 1 cube. These all are the examples of law 4. Next, example 1. Simplify 2x raised to 1 by 2, 3x minus 1 raised to minus 1 if x is equal to 4. First simplify the equation 2x raised to 1 by 2 into 3x raised to minus 1. So 2 into 3 is 6. X 1 by 2 x minus 1. So x 1 by 2 x minus 1 base same. So we can use the law 6x 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1. So 6x minus 1 by 2. Six into 1 x 1 by 2 is equal to 6 upon x raised to 1 by 2. Put the value of x. 6, 4, 1 by 2, 6. 4 means 2 square, 1 by 2, 2 cancel. 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 answer. Now next example. Simplify 6ab square c cube into 4b minus 2, 4b raised to minus 2, c raised to minus 3 into d. Here 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. So 24 out into a raised to 1. There is no a, another a. So a as it is. B square and b raised to minus 2. B square b minus 2. C cube c minus 3. Only d. So multiply with d. 24 into a into b. Base same. B base same. So b 2 minus 2. 0 b raised to 0. C 3 minus 3 c raised to 0 into d. So 24a b raised to 0 c raised to 0 into d. A raised to here b raised to 0 c raised to 0 is equal to 1. Put the value of is equal to 1 and c0 is equal to 1. So 24a into d. So answer is 24 AD. Next, find the value of 4x minus 1 upon x minus 1 by 3. Here 4x minus 1. Take x into numerator. So x plus 1 by 3. X raised to plus 1 by 3. So 4x minus 1 plus 1 by 3. So 4x minus 3 plus 1 by 3. 4x minus 3 plus 1 means minus 2 by 3. 4x minus 2 by 3. So 4 upon x raised to 2 by 3. So answer is 4 by x raised to 2 by 3. Next, simplify 2a 1 by 2, 2a raised to 1 by 2 into a raised to 2 by 3 into 6a raised to minus 7 by 3 divide by 9a raised to minus 5 by 3 into a raised to 3 by 2 if a is equal to 4. So, first simplify this equation and next put the value of a is equal to 4 into simplified equation. So, here 2 a 1 by 2 a. So, base remains same. 2 6 are 12 or 2 into 6. 2 into 6 out into a 1 by 2 base same. So addition of index or power 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 upon 9 into a raised to base also same a minus 5 by 3 plus 3 by 2. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 4 by 3 a raised to 3 plus 4 minus 14 by 6. A minus 5 by 3 plus 3 by 2. 5 2s are 10. LCM, take LCM and solve it. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6 is equal to 4 by 3 a 3 plus 4 7 minus 14 minus 7 by 6 upon a raised to minus 10 plus 9. So minus 1 by 6. Take minus 1 by 6, a raised to minus 1 by 6 in numerator. So minus a raised to minus 1 by 6 becomes plus. So 4 by 3 a raised to minus 7 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So 4 by 3 minus 7 plus 1 here a raised to minus 7 plus 1 by 6. So minus 7 plus 1 minus 6, 6 cancel. So 4 by 3 a raised to minus 1. So 4 by 3 1 upon a. Put the value of a here. A is equal to 4. 4 by 3 into 1 by 4. 4 cancel. So answer is 1 by 3. Next, simplify x raised to a y raised to minus b whole cube. In the bracket x cube y square, x cube into y square whole bracket minus a. Using law, a into b raised to n is equal to a raised to n into b raised to n. Same way here, x raised to a cube whole cube into y minus b whole cube into x cube minus a y square minus a is equal to x a into 3, so 3a. Again use another law, which is a raised to m whole a raised to m whole raised to n. So answer is a raised to m into n. Same way a and 3, so x raised to 3 into a. Y minus b into 3, so y minus 3b, y raised to minus 3b. X 3 minus a, so minus 3a. Same y minus 2a, y raised to minus 2a. Here x base same. Here y is another base. So x 3a, x raised to 3a minus 3a. Y raised to minus 3b minus 2a. 3a minus 3a, so x raised to 0. Y raised to minus 3b minus 2a. So 1 into y raised to minus common 3b plus 2a. So we can write this 1 upon y 3b plus 2a. Take y into denominator. So minus sign becomes plus. So y raised to 3b plus 2a. Next example. A raised to 4b x raised to 6 whole raised to 1 by 6. A 2 by 3 into x minus 1 raised to minus b. Solve this equation. A raised to 4b into x raised to 6, so 1 by 6 into a 2 by 3 minus b. Using law, we can write a 2 by 3 minus b. Same way x raised to minus 1 into minus b. Here a raised to 4b into 1 by 6, a raised to 4b 1 by 6, x raised to 6 into 1 by 6. Same way a 2 by 3 minus b, so minus 2 by 3b, minus 1 minus b, minus plus x raised to b. A 2 2s are 4. Here a 4b into 1 by 6, x raised to 6 into 1 by 6, a minus 2 by 3b, x raised to minus plus, so b. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 cancel. So here a raised to 2 by 3 b into x into a minus 2 by 3 b into x raised to b. So here base same, a same, so addition of index 2 by 3b minus 2 by 3b. Same way x base same, so x raised to 1 plus x raised to b. So x raised to 1 plus b. 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 cancel. A raised to 0 into x 1 plus b is equal to, here value of a raised to 0 is 1. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. So x raised to 1 plus b is answer. X raised to 1 plus b is answer. Next, find x if x under root x is equal to, in the bracket, x under root x raised to x. Here under root means 1 by 2. So we can also write x 1 by 2, x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to, here using law, a into b raised to n is equal to a raised to n into b raised to n. So x raised to x raised to 1 by 2 into x. So x by 2. X 1 plus 1 by 2 base same, 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to, same way here also base same, x plus x by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 means x 1 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to x 2x plus x 2x plus x by 2. So next step is x 3 by 2 is equal to x raised to 3x by 2. If base is equal, here base x both are equal, so power is also equal. So we can write 3 by 2 is equal to 3x by 2. Same as a raised to m is equal to a raised to n. Here base a is same, so we can write m is equal to n. Same way here we can write 3 by 2 is equal to 3x by 2. 2 cancel. So 3 cancel. So x is equal to 1. 2 cancel, 3 cancel. So x is equal to 1. Find the value of k. Find the value of k from under root 9 raised to minus 7 into root 3 raised to minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to k. Here we can write 9 raised to 1 by 2 minus 7 into 3 raised to 1 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to k. 9 means 3 square into 1 by 2 minus 7 raised to minus 7. 3 raised to minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 raised to k. 3. Here 2 cancel. So 3 raised to minus 7 into 3 raised to minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 raised to k. Here 3 base same. So 3 minus 7 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3 raised to k. 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 5. So 3 raised to minus 19 by 2 is equal to 3 raised to k. Here base same. 3 same. So power equal. So k is equal to minus 19 by 2. Now look at the summary. Here a raised to m into a raised to n. So answer is a raised to m plus n. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to square, 2 raised to 2. So is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 2. Addition of index. So 2 raised to 5. Same way, a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to, here there is one mistake, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So a raised to m minus n. 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 cube is equal to 2 raised to 5 minus 3, because division is there, is equal to 2 square. A raised to m whole n, so is equal to a multiplication of index m n. 2 raised to 5 whole square is equal to 2. 5 into 2, both are in index or in multiplication. So 2 raised to 5 into 2 is equal to 2 raised to 10. A raised to 0, power is 0, is equal to 1. Same way, 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. If a raised to minus m, we can also write 1 upon a raised to m, and 1 upon a raised to minus m, we can also write a raised to m. Same way, for example, 2 minus 3, 2 raised to minus 3, so we can also write 1 upon 2 cube, because numerator converted into denominator. So minus sign becomes plus. 1 upon 2 raised to minus 5 is equal to 2 raised to 5. If a raised to x is equal to a raised to y, then x is equal to y. Here a is base. Base equal, then power equal. If x raised to a, y raised to a, then x is equal to y. X raised to a is equal to y raised to a, then x is equal to y. Here power equal. Power equal. So base becomes equal. X is equal to y. M under root a is equal to a raised to 1 by m. Root x is equal to x raised to 1 by 2. Take example root 4. So root 4 means 4 is 2 square, and whole 1 by 2. 2, 1 by 2 into 2. 2 cancel. So 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 8 cube root of 8. 8 raised to 1 by 3. 8 is cube of 2. So 2 cube is equal to 2 cube into 1 by 3. So 3 cancel. 3 cancel. So 2 raised to 1 is equal to, answer is 2. Answer is 2. Now in next lecture we will discuss about, in next lecture we will solve the questions. This lecture is over. So see you and bye bye.